I'm at the Abilities Expo and I have the industry's first accessible hybrid minivan. And wait for it. And here it is, the 2018 Cordovan Chrysler Pacifica wheelchair accessible minivan, 520 mile range, 82 miles to the gallon. Wait for it. Ooh, Cordovan. That is a nice color. Let's go this way. Got the doors that open from both sides. Let's try to get that full body shot YouTube loves. The VMI logo. Plush leather seating.
Got 520 miles. Really? Yeah.
And that'll take a big wheelchair too.
That ramp
Nice.
is 34 and 3/4 inches wide.
34 3/4 of an inch wide ramp.